Hello guys, Furphy's Loco here. Today I got a package from eBay in the mail, so let me just get this box open so you guys can see what I bought. It's a Bachman branch line product. Let me just get this off, and it's a Queen Mary brake fan. Let me just... Whoa! Apparently, Queen Mary's packaging is a little, brittle and about to fall apart. Oh, dear. I'll probably have to be careful whenever I pack this model up. In the future, whenever I have to go places. So, this is a Queen Mary brake fan. These were used on the southern region for heavy goods trains, I think. There's the bogies on it with the wheels. Yeah, but it's unlike the other brake fans, it actually has bogies. Which makes it kind of stand out. Also, if I really wanted a Queen Mary brake fan for a while. And then on eBay, I've actually saw one for a good price. The price, in case you're wondering, is $20. In case you were wondering. So, yeah. Also, this brake fan was the same one I got Ryan in. Was from the same person I bought Ryan from. So, yeah. Unfortunately, I don't any that are actually part of the southern region. But, I was really actually doing an end of that. Southern region. I just remembered I actually own one. Let me just try finding him. Oh, I see him. The engine... I thought I didn't have any engines that were from the southern region, but I completely forgot that Stepney is from the southern region. Well, Stepney was from the Brant South Coast Railway, then it later grouped to the Southern Railway. So Stepney's taking this SR truck, and these two trucks you remember from the customs video. These two I've painted little faces on. Here's the first face, and the second face. So let me just plug this in. Whoa. So, yeah. Also, one thing I'd like to mention real quick is thank you guys for 700 subscribers. Can't believe it's taken this long to get that many. And what I'm doing for that video is I'll be showing off all my rare Thomas items. Also, one thing is what I mentioned in the video that certain agents will be in realistic livers for my Thomas series, and when I mentioned Murdoch will be in BR Green, I am definitely not paying that Hornby Murdoch. He's too valuable. And plus he cost me like $400. So, basically I'll just be getting a Hornby 9F, one in BR Green, to use as Murdoch, and this Murdoch here will probably go into a display case. Similar to what my creepy face Thomas, my red milk tanker, and my rare prototype Adventures Emily are in. Well, similar to that. But probably a little longer because Murdoch is a tender engine. Also, my Thomas Friends version of the Flying Scotsman and Bear are also going in there too. Since my Bear is basically I'm just buying a Class 35 Hymac in BR Green just to use for Bear. I will still keep my Bear Maul because he's just too rare to get rid of. So, yeah. This is Furfuse Loco signing off.